straightforward really. You grab a set of keys, random set of keys, make sure they fit, and they go in. And then from there, you just go from different depths, match each cut. So you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all you got. 10 depths. So from experience, I can just read the keys, look at the cuts, and just from experience, I just know what depth they are, what kind of key length, what kind of pin I'm going to need. Reckon it's going to be a 4 on the first one. See how it's nice and flat right there. 4 on the third one as well. You don't normally jump like that, but experience helps. And then from there, look at the key again. I think it's going to be a 7, which it is. Nice and flat. Feel it with your fingers. Should be fairly smooth. And then you just read the cuts again, so you keep going. I think the next one's going to be a 3. Oops, drops 3, and then 3 at the last one as well. Helpful if I stop dropping things. That's a 4 mixed in with the 3s. So we'll just grab the 3 again. Oh, it's actually 2.